is Ashley Henriquez. I work at the Karl Chevrolet Quick Lube. I'm a cashier, top tech, pit tech, and currently learning how to tire tech. My journey so far in the automotive industry started when I was 6 years old. I would always look at my dad fixing his friend's vehicle, and I was always fascinated how every part has its own function, coming together sort of like a puzzle piece, and I was always interested. I'm doing general automotive, so basically all the brand of the vehicles in an automotive technology program. My favorite part of going through that program is learning new things. It's the little success that makes me happy. The challenges I had to overcome is being belittled and being told I can't do it. Truth is, there's always going to be those type of people. The way you let it affect you is up to you. Either you could prove them wrong or believe their lies. So ask as many questions. There's no such thing as dumb question. Mistakes will be made, and that's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. But from those mistakes, you will learn, and from those mistakes, you would succeed. My career goals is learning as much I can learn from Karl Chevrolet, the company. Combining my experience and my knowledge, open a shop, hopefully, and go off from there. To be successful in my career means motivating other females and encouraging them into the automotive industry, and hopefully one day seeing that it's no longer a male-dominant field. It's very empowering seeing other women like myself being very successful, because back in the day, women had to fight to be in these positions we are in today. In August 1914, during World War I, women were given the opportunity to prove that they could do men's work, and here I am, proof that they succeeded.